I'm at 1764 East 33rd. We are in the Asiatown section of the St. Clair Superior neighborhood. So we got a single in front, aluminum sided. There's street parking here, so the windows have been updated at some point. Steps they're fine, but you can tell there's some rack going on, but they're sturdy. Remind myself to give you a view of the roof. Not easy to do. It's a dense neighborhood, so I used to live here. It's a great neighborhood. I love it. But the back is a two-family, so we got upstairs, downstairs. It is also aluminum sided. You know, this neighborhood, there's Asian stores, Asian restaurants, Vietnamese, Chinese, Korean, different types of Chinese, Cantonese, Hong Kong, Sichuan. And there must be like 5 different stores. So it's, you can walk to get to all that stuff. It's really, really cool. Okay, I'm going to try to get you a view of the roof. So 2 houses on one lot, single in front, duplex in back. There we go. Looks nice. Not sure what's going on with the chimney, but roof looks great. I don't know, we can't get a view of the back one, but that's all I got. Okay, we'll start heading in. Heading into the front house. This is the back side door. We got a little porch here. I don't know if you can see the tile. It's got tile floor, but it's in pretty bad shape. That's typical. Nice size kitchen. Lots of storage. Got a little peninsula here. More storage there. Obviously, we got the laundry in here, so fridge. Then we go into here. We got the living room. So this would typically be a dining room. They're using it as a sitting area. And we're gonna have a dog barking here real soon. What do we got in here? Doesn't look like anything. Everything's okay. So there's a bedroom there. And the tenant is working, so we're not going to bother them. But we got some nice little detail here. And we got our bathroom, which has got some new flooring. The water is just from somebody getting out of the shower. So we got a tub. The tub kind of sticks back in the wall there, you can see. Let's head upstairs. Closet. It's an oldie. But it's a cool house. Got a closet here. So I have to explain this bedroom setup. So they're using this as a sitting room. There's 3 rooms up here. So we got this room. We've got a bedroom here. Then this bedroom goes to this bedroom, but there is also a door from that sitting room into here. So really it's 3-bedroom house when considering not having tandem bedrooms. If you don't mind tandem bedrooms, this would also be a bedroom. So just depends on how you want to use it. We're gonna go down to the basement. Stone foundation. It looks like a dugout basement. I'm sure it was not originally a basement here, and they dug it out. It's a good-looking furnace. Look at that. Nice, efficient, clean. There's this room up here. Whatever. I don't know. Just a bunch bunch of stuff. And we've got this looks like an older hot water tank. I had one just like it. It lasted forever. And we've got the electrical. Yeah, it's hard to say what kind of wiring it is. It's all in conduit, which is good. There's some Romex I see, but that's about it. A little humid down here. Heading into the back, we're gonna go into the downstairs unit. So we got potentially 3 bedrooms here. So this could be, you know, a living room. This could be a dining room. This is where you walk in. This could be a living room, but this is also set up so it's with a door, so it could have a bedroom. There is no closet, but it's a huge room. We got paneling, painted paneling. This would be another bedroom. This does not have a closet. So we got the drop ceiling in most of the rooms, not all. We got ceramic in the kitchen. Little step down. Vinyl windows. Huge kitchen. Plenty of room for eat-in, so you know you don't need a dining room necessarily. Another bedroom. Actually have a closet in this one, and that door goes outside. So we got some kind of laminate flooring, and you know, doing what this laminate flooring does. Bathrooms looks nice. Got the shower. So very nice. And we'll head down to the basement. Bear with me here, it's steep. And not much headroom, so I'm gonna have to turn around to get down. Okay, fine once you get down here. So hot water tanks here. Got the furnace, 2 furnaces. Panes, both look similar of age. They look they're nice and clean. We got this stack here. You know, we're seeing some water come down. So I think there's a hole somewhere. Electrical. I see, looks like it's Romex. Some drains there. Got some pipes kind of going all over the place. And that's about it. We got the meters again, stone foundation, old place. That's about it. House, we're heading to the upstairs unit. Got a nice ornate stairwell here. And we're heading in. So I guess this would be a dining area. Got kitchen. Ceramic tile floors in good shape. Cabinets are in good shape. Bathroom's been redone at some point here. Looks good. And we've got bedroom here and a bedroom here. So, you know, it's a 2-bedroom. You could use it however you want. We got a closet here, but, you know, flexible space.